this is the IELTS interview. As a part of interview procedure, we need to see your identification card. Can I have a look, please? Thank you. Mohammed Usman.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mohammed Usman. We need to do the recording of this interview. Are you comfortable?
Yes, ma'am. I'm comfortable.
Okay. Please introduce yourself about your education and why are you taking IELTS exam?
Okay. So my name is Mohammed Usman. I am 21 years old. I completed my college in 2021. After that, I got admission in university. But due to some personal reasons, I quit my university after 2 years. And now I have realized that higher education is also very important in life. And now I am planning to move to Europe for my higher education. I belong to.
Which country you are planning to go?
I am trying to go to Italy because there are some relatives of mine already taking the higher education there. So that is why I'm interested in doing it.
Okay. What kind of changes a person go through when he or she changes the country?
I think a lot of changes made in the personality of a person whenever he move to another country. First one is cultural. First one is culture, and the second one is also the food. Second one is food, and third one are the people. Because I live in a country where the people have less moral values as compared to the country where I am trying to go to. And the cultural values are also very different in both of countries. So, like in Pakistan, the events and the festivals are different than that country. So, I think there's a lot of changes.
Okay. What are you going to miss the most?
I will miss the most the my friends because I have a tiny circle of my friends, and I always try to spend time with them whenever I got some free time. And I think the most.
How many friends you have got, Usman?
I have four friends from my childhood. One is Hassan, one's name is Saad, and one's name is Munir, and they are my childhood friends. And we completed our school together, our college together, and we live in the same area.
What made them your friends?
I think we were together in school from the class one, and we were in same area also. So we play cricket together and go out for like on Eids, and our families are also introduced with each other. So we go to each other's home, and that is why they are.
Okay, Usman, do you think friendships that the scenario of friendship has changed in last 10 years and it is going to be different in the coming 10 years, or do you think the dynamics and everything will remain the same?
Ma'am, I think the dynamics of friendship is same, but the mindset of people has been changed about the friendship. Like the people from 10 years ago, from now, people were friend of each other without any hesitation or without any meanings. Because if you see our elders, like my elder brother, his friends are. His friend circle is from his childhood, and they always try to be very helpful with each other. And the friend circle of my younger brother, they all are from different areas. He has no friend in my area, and all of his friends are from his college, and all of they are like selfish type of boys, and they always meet each other when they have some purpose. So I think the mentality has been changed, but the criteria of friendship is remaining the same.
Okay, I'm going to give you a cue card for having 1 minute to think about it, and then at least for 2 minutes, you have to speak about it. If you need to make notes, you can make notes. This is the question, and these are the points you should cover. Your 1 minute starts now. Yes, please take that.
So this month I go to Lahore for Pasant Festival. As you know, the hype of Pasant Festival was all over on social media, and one of my friend who lives in Lahore booked a rooftop on the Haveli restaurant. So he invited us to join that party. We went to the Lahore and we go to that party. At first, my reaction was unbelievable. That how they were flying the kites, and they decorated the rooftop with full of colors. And after that, we enjoyed flying kites. After some time, there was a concert of Atif Aslam at that rooftop also. So it was my dream to watch the Atif Aslam in front of my eyes, because he was my favorite singer from my childhood. So the concert was delayed due to some health issues of Atif Aslam, and but after that they organized another singer. His name is Sahir Ali Bakka. Then he came and he performed, so we enjoyed. But the praise for Atif Aslam was different. After that, there was a dinner arranged by the hotel staff. So we in dinner they organized the Italian cuisine, the French cuisine, and the continental. I am not a big fan of Italian and French cuisine, because I think my taste buds doesn't matches with that. And I enjoyed the food. The continental cuisine was so delicious. And after that we fly the kites till the morning, like for 5 a.m. And we fly the kites. And after that there was small firework also take place on the rooftop. But due to that firework, the one side of the rooftop was taken fire due to that firework. The people, I would say, the staff was irresponsible, and due to their irresponsibility, that fire take place. But fortunately, no harms were being, and they manage the situation at that time. So there were a lot of people, but they extinguished the fire. And after that, for some time the rooftop was empty, because they were managing the things, and they were doing the decorations again. After some time, the Basant festival started again, and we fly kites, and then we headed towards the.
Okay, did you observe any particular dress code during the Pasant festival?
Yes, I observed that people, mostly in girls, they were wearing the colorful dresses, like yellow color and orange color was seen more in their dresses. And Basant is a festival full of colors, so the people were wearing the colorful dresses. Yes.
Thank you, Usman.